Are you facing mobile network issues while playing PUBG Mobile on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through 3 easy and advanced solutions to tackle the problem of mobile data not working in PUBG Mobile on iOS devices. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Solution 2. Fix your iPhone mobile data service. Open Settings, tap Mobile Service, tap Mobile Data Options, tap Voice and Data, select 5G Auto, or if your phone only does support 4G, then select 4G Auto. Go back, tap Data Mode, select Standard, go back twice. Tap Network Select, turn on the automatic, go back again and tap Mobile Data Network. Scroll down and reset settings. After doing this, hope your problem will be solved. If it doesn't, Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, tap Reset all settings again. By following the steps, you'll likely find yourself on the path to resolving mobile data issues in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. If any problem persists, feel free to share your concerns in the comment section. Thanks for watching.